In this video, we will learn how to use Krea AI in iPhone. First, download the Krea AI app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Then, open the app and sign up for a new account. Or, if you have an account already, just log in. Position to upload the image on your iPhone gallery or take a new photo directly from your camera. Here, choose the editing features that you want to use, such as text to image generation or image to image generating, or enhancing your photo for a text to image generation. Then, describe the visuals you want to create in detail. Be specific about everything such as the style, colour palette, elements and mood in your image. Then, you can also upload reference images and be specific the desired changes and tap the generate button to let the AI create your image. Review the output and tweak your prompt for an adjustment. If necessary, use the slider or input fields to modify the image, colour tone, lighting or style. Next, add fine details, apply filters and experiment with different variations of your image to achieve the best possible result. Once you're satisfied with the audit, download the final image to your iPhone. Then you can do whatever you want with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.